This is the HP DeskJet Plus 4152 all-in-one printer. It is a basic printer with minimal functions in terms of the copy. There is no setting on the control panel where you can do some enhancements or adjustments to your document before copy. We will show you how to use the HP Smart app to do some adjustments and enhancements before you do a print. Technically, it is called scan and print, which is equals to copy. So this is the document that we will use for this tutorial. Let's place it onto the flatbed scanner. You may want to align it to the top left hand corner of the flatbed scanner. Next, on the Android phone, let's start up HP Smart. So on HP Smart, select Printer, Scan. Tap on the settings at the top right hand corner. Make sure that your source is scanner glass, and we will scan in color and leave the resolution as 200. Tap on Scan. So this is the document that has been scanned. Tap on Settings to do some adjustments. Let's crop the document. Once you're happy with the cropping, select Done. Let's do some adjustments. We will make the document brighter. You can also play around with the contrast. Once you have done all the adjustments you need, select Done. Select Done again. So this is the document that you have scanned and adjusted. The next step, you can select Print. The orientation, you may want to select it as Portrait. Once ready, tap on Print. So this is the document that you have just scanned and print. Let's take a look comparing it with the original document. So this is the original document, and this is the document that you have scanned and print. So this is how you can use the HP Smart app to do some adjustments to your document before you print.